Do you always lack money and wondering how to make your wallet a money magnet? Well, you have landed at the right place, because today I'm going to teach you how to attract abundance, how to make your wallet a money magnet using a particular spice. If you want to learn about this spice and how to go about the whole thing, don't go anywhere. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am always glad to share a spiritual tip with you, and today we are going to discover a particular spice that will help us attract abundance and make our wallet a money magnet. But before we dive in, if today is your first time here, this is a channel where I share law of attractions, meditation, spiritual tips, and more. So you are welcome to join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and leaving a comment below about where you are watching us from. So what is this particular spice we are going to use today to attract abundance into our life? It is called cloves. I hope we all know this spice here. I hope we all know what we call cloves. Cloves are not just spices we use in cooking. It is also known for its magical powers. Okay, listen, this is a spice that has been used for ages in many cultures to attract abundance, prosperity, and good luck. So if you want to learn about this spice, make sure you watch this video till the end to discover how to use it to attract abundance into your life. There are some people who say there is no such things like using this or that to attract money or abundance into your life, and the only way they believe they can make money in this life is by working hard. Yes, you have to work, of course, right? You have to work hard. But listen, working hard is not a solution. Ignorance can make you work hard and still lack money, right? There are so many things happening in this world spiritually that you have no idea of, okay? And these rituals are here to help you get rid of any obstacles and amplify your chances to have and keep the money you are working for. But please, no harsh comments. If you don't believe in this, we are not forcing anyone here. I am just sharing with you guys what I have learned and what I have experienced in my life. So there are several ways to use cloves to attract money or abundance into your life, but the easiest way is to put some few cloves into your wallet. So how do you do that? Make sure you are using the cloves that still have the head on, like this one, okay? And then you are going to count 9 of them. You are going to count 9 cloves and put them in your wallet, okay? So make sure you put them at where your money is in the wallet. The scent of the cloves is going to attract positive energy and abundance to you, okay? This is the easiest way to make your wallet a money magnet. Someone will ask me, how will the money arrive? Okay, listen, if you are using the law of attraction, or even if it's just a prayer you are doing, fasting or whatever it is, to attract a job or to secure a job, and you don't take action to apply for the job, how are you going to obtain that job? It's not possible, right? So the same thing applies here. When you are using if you are using cloves to attract more money or abundance into your life, you should have a source of income. You can have your own business, your small business. You can be an employee, you can be a freelancer, you may be working from home, anything. Okay, the cloves here is just going to boost your income so that you attract more prosperity. It's going to make you never lack money. Okay, now another way to do this ritual is to add sea salt to your cloves. How are you going to do that? If you have some sea salt with you, okay, if you have some sea salt in the house, you can just add, you count 7 grains of sea salt that you are going to add to your cloves into your wallet. You put them at the same place where you put your cloves with your money. Okay, and then you close your purse. Make sure it doesn't make a mess in your purse. Okay, the sea salt here is just going to enhance your money spell. Please, while putting this in your wallet, make sure you are setting an intention of attracting money towards you, attracting abundance towards you, attracting prosperity towards you. You can say to yourself, as I put these cloves in my wallet, money flows to me constantly. My business is flourishing and I am receptive to the wealth it offers me. Please, you are not just saying these words for saying sake. Make sure you have faith and believe in what you are saying, okay? As I said earlier, cloves are known for their magical attributes. They are believed to be one of the most powerful herbs for attracting money, prosperity, and abundance. They are also known to protect against negative energy. So I really encourage you to try this out and see the results by yourself. Now, another way to use cloves to attract money and abundance into your life is by burning them. This is the last one I'm going to talk about in this video, okay? I will make another video later and explain more about how to use cloves. Okay, so this is also very simple. You just have to burn your cloves in a small bowl or on a charcoal disc like this one. Okay, in this case you don't need to count, you don't necessarily need to count your cloves. You just have to burn them and let the smoke spread around your place. The smoke from the cloves will purify your space and attract positive energy. Okay, don't forget to set your intention along and keep your faith alive. Using cloves to attract money and abundance is a simple and powerful practice. Cloves are easily available. You can find them in any market or supermarket, or you can even get them with people who sell herbal medicine. Okay, make sure you use high quality cloves and focus your intention on attracting money and prosperity. If this video has been really helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all my new videos. Sending you all good energy of prosperity and abundance. Blessings.